So we're going to show you how to create a bill in Xero directly. Now, just bear in mind that in a previous video, we've shown you how to automate this using HubDoc. Now, let's say you didn't want to use HubDoc, or you wanted to enter a specific invoice manually. How would you do that? It's very, very similar to the way you would enter invoices. So, and also just a side note, bill is also known as a purchase. So if, for example, you get confused with the terminology, a bill is actually a purchase, which would be part of your accounts payable ledger. So again, if you have a contact for them, you would create it here. If you don't have a contact, you can still create a bill without a contact. So let's say I put Alpha Pro Partners. Here you can see that I can create the contact here directly. I would enter the date and the due date. So let's say it's 30 days. Reference could be accounting fees or the invoice number. You then attach the invoice here. Again, you can drag and drop the invoice. We won't go too much into the item because that's to do with inventory. Here you can enter the currency if you've got the premium version. So I'd put accounting fees quantity 1, let's say it's 1,000. Here you can see you code it to your accounting and consulting account code. Now you can enter a new account code here, so you don't necessarily need to go to the chart of accounts to be able to enter a new account there. Here you can put your tax rate. Again, if you are using tracking, then you enter your relevant tracking information there, and then that's it. You can obviously have a round of approval. So let's say you wanted to, one person is going to enter the bills. You may have another person then approving it. What will happen is here it will show as draft. So here I would select submit for approval. And then it goes into the next workflow, which is here, awaiting for approval. Here I can select approve, and then it goes onto my accounts payable ledger, and it's also recognized onto my profit and loss account. Thank you very much.